What's good, y'all? I'm gonna get into today's backtesting session. Yesterday's session was 3 break-even trades. Really hard PA to overall trade though. This is what we were trading. This range here. So no, really didn't take any highs until Thursday after the session. We finally took out these highs. There was not much, but yeah. Let's go to Forex Factory and see what we can do here. Let's see what date we're on right now. Oh, next day. So we are on Monday, May 30th. Okay, bank holiday, nice. So heading into Tuesday, we have consumer confidence. Interesting. Got it. Okay, so consumer confidence, orange folder, then we have a bunch of red folder later in the week. So last day of May here, looking at a weekly chart, where do I think our draw is likely to be? We did sweep out this significant daily low here. Got a really good reaction out of that. I would expect us to continue higher. Most likely going to take this high. I would see this as a retrace just by the way it looks. I would expect these highs to eventually get hit. 50% of this range retrace would be like, this is a good 4 hour to hit, and this is a good 4 hour to hit. So we'll see what we want to run towards for a retrace. But this is all going to get ran back pretty fast. You can just tell by the stair step down for sure. Okay. So at this point in time, I wouldn't really want to. I wouldn't want to see us bounce from here. I would rather see this get hit. It's just more obvious to me. But we did violate this gap, this 30 minutes, so this 5 minute or 15 could give a reaction. Nice. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. So now at this point in time, we've ran down and took out this low here. So we do have the SMT here. We are inside of a 5 minute at the moment. Okay, holding that 5 minute. We are going to open up a 15 minute here in a few. So this is 10 a.m. 10 a.m. opens lower. 1 second. Hello? Thank you. Okay, yeah, I texted her. It's fine. No, it's fine. All right, sounds good. Bye, love you. Okay, so what I want here is this 4 hour to now get hit on both assets and get some sort of long to the unfilled range up here. That would be my best case scenario. Really weak close, but okay, if we can invert this 5 minute, I will be in this for sure. So Beautiful, beautiful. I don't like how ES is already in the 15-minute here, but I have a lot of confidence in this range getting took back. I think this is the lowest we'd want to go. And if we do want to continue lower, that's just wrong draw. So, yeah, I'm going to break even once we take this high on NQ. Don't really care that ES is higher right now. ES has been the higher pair. So, yeah. Simply going to target this 930 level. So, go in here. Okay, break even. Nice. So, whole basis of this was I didn't care because I'm bullish way past this 15-minute. So NQ, when ES takes this 930 wick, that's when I'm probably going to get out. Or we get broke even. Was this a 30-minute? Oh, fuck, this was a 30-minute. Dang. Okay, this probably gets broke even. We'll see. I'm still holding until this high. Very simple, but we're kind of just chopping around. It's about to be 11. I'm just going to TP here, I think. It's a 1.4R. Yeah, I'm just going to start the week off good. This is just chopping around. I don't really care to hold this for the next, but whatever. And okay, ends up hitting, but I mean, this would have hit at literally another 50 minutes. So draw was right. I guarantee this all should be a buy model for PM. Hopefully, okay, this is best case scenario. We chop around for the next day. So June 1st, wait, June 1st already? Damn. We have 10 a.m. orange folder. Okay. We're really ranging right now. Jesus. Okay. I don't expect price to need to run any lower from here. We could soup this, but that would be like the most for my current bias. I think, geez, I hate the way we're trading right now. We have an SMT with this low. This low technically should be protected, and this hourly gap would be our open liquidity to see us trade higher here. Best case scenario is going to be that getting tagged. So I hope this isn't London lows. Yeah, London lows. Technically, you could say it's sponsored off this SMT. I'm going to be careful on a day like this, though. We are extremely choppy, so just be careful with that, because a lot of times we can definitely not deliver how we want. Okay, nice. So we're pushing higher here. Oof, okay, this doesn't look bad. Fuck. I would rather see N or ES sweep this low. I'm just gonna wait. I think we're high in the range right now. Not to mention, we're still in this 15. We just swept out a ton of highs. I'm gonna wait. I don't love this. Especially, okay, beautiful. Just a little too high in the range for me. But now ES has rebalanced. Okay, this looks nice. It's just too much liquidity underneath. This is A plus structure. We got the bullish SMT. It's just we're close to news. We have all of these lows here. This could easily get ran. I'm just going to be patient on a setup like this, and it would have been a break even anyways. So nice. So there's your 10 a.m. news. That's why you wait a little bit. What does 10 a.m. do? 10 a.m. opens. We manipulate lower, and we tap a 15-minute. We tap the hourly. I don't see us needing to go any lower here. We could go to this 15, but it's not mandatory. We have a data low and a data high that we're currently trading in between. Okay. So there's that hourly. I didn't expect us to go this low. I'm gonna be completely honest. So yeah. Looks like we're gonna take this low on ES now. Jeez. Yeah, just not favorable conditions. Maybe we get some sort of mech back up. Okay. So now we've took this high or this low. We have the bullish SMT. There's a chance we sweep this and just get that true manipulation. But longs from here is not terrible. Okay, is this that true manipulation that I was just saw? Yeah, okay, this is nice. All right, so if we're truly bullish from here, we're gonna open up this 15-minute. We have this 5-minute that is open. Best case scenario is this gets violated in one candle, so. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna try this here and I'm gonna break even at this 15-minute gap. So I like this and I'm just gonna hold this for a 1 hour. We do have a range here, I'm not gonna lie. So you would have to put your stop pretty low. I wouldn't want to see us go too low, but just for like our sake, it kind of sucks. But and then just target 1 hour out of this. That's all we're gonna go for here. Break evens fast. I'm not gonna go in too heavy on this just because we structurally I do have a lot of confidence in this high getting took. We slowly generated, we opened lower at 1030. As you see 1030's candle here, open low into the turtle soup with the SMT. Unfilled 15-minute gap here, so oof. Limit would have been goated. Oh my god, fuck. Oh, this was actually a really nice 1-minute entry here off this gap. This was a very clean entry. Okay, so we're inside of that. I mean, are we gonna get a 1 hour? Please. Let me get lucky. No. Okay, so break even on this. As I said, I had confidence to go here. It did run there and then it reversed. So what could I have done differently on this? I don't normally limit entry, but this is a case where the range was extremely unbalanced and I did have to move my stop all the way down here. So I could have gotten off of that. This was a very clean entry. Right here, TP there, but that's neither here nor there. So give me 1 second. I need to see something. Okay, so new day here. We are on, what the hell? June 2nd. Why is this not showing where we're at? We're at 9:15 of this day. Okay, I guess this is a bank holiday or something. Okay, I guess we'll just go to Friday. Bro, I don't even want to trade this. This isn't worth trading. What the hell? Is this real? So June 3rd, 8:30 news. I guess you can look at this, but we have this weird ass range right now. Did we take this high? We edged this high too. Jeez. Okay. So we're inherently still bullish, but I don't see us needing to go higher until this gets filled. If this is a real, the thing is, it's off Wednesday. It was June 2nd, 2022, a bank holiday. Okay, I guess it was a normal day. This is weird as hell. I will say that, but I'm just gonna skip to open, see what we want to do here. Do we have some sort of wick? So no data wick. That's starters. We took out that high. We respected this hourly. We're currently just looking bearish, and we have no POI until we actually hit. Like, this has to get hit. This is just that mitigation. But I could honestly see us going, like, if I'm being real, I see us going to here. Like, this looks like we have to kind of go to here. Honestly, here is where we need to go, but we look very, very bearish, but God, I like this. It's just the structure is retarded. I don't want to take a loss on some shit like this. Okay, it didn't even close the 4 minute. Like, this could easily just continue sound. I hate these levels. Yeah, bro. Maybe we'll get a nice short. I'm not longing until that gets took. I'm sorry. Nice. Thank God. Like, these are magnets, bro. Okay, so there's 10 a.m. We closed very, very bearish. We have a 4 hour pretty high up. I'm not too worried about that getting targeted. I'm worried about, I think we should go lower here. That's all. But generating a lot of lows here. Generating highs now for sure. Yeah, bro, this is not worth trading. If I woke up and saw that, I would genuinely like not be on the charts. And yeah, we did exactly what I said we would. We came down. We made relative equal lows here. That's so weird. But now we're on a new week. That was a weird ass week. I mean, there's not much I would have done that week, but I did take one win. So I took a $1,300 win. So stats are sitting at 60, almost 64% win rate. Really nice. But yeah, I'll get this uploaded, and that is it. Peace.